Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Rebecca Robeson. Today I have a very special video for you, still on the topic of Christmas. It's what we're all into right now, right? Well, today this video is something that a lot of you have actually asked about.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion.
Here's the thing, I decorated with my girlfriend Sarah. Now, how many of you know Sarah? You may remember her from a couple of years ago. I went to meet Sarah in Wisconsin, and she and her husband own Golden Eagle Log and Timber Homes. They built a log home a few years ago, and Sarah actually made all of the decisions in the design and the build of this house. How did she do that? Well, it was all based on the things that she had learned as being a member of the design sessions. Because of that, she invited me to come and see her home, and wow, was it amazing. Not only that, Sarah and I bonded on a very special level. We love Christmas, who knew? But also, I went back out a second time to Wisconsin and I helped her decorate that house for Christmas. It turned out absolutely magical. There have been other times too. Sarah has come to my house in Tulsa to help me with my decorations, including this year. You saw her in my videos leading up to this because last January, Sarah and I took a trip to Dallas, Texas, and we went to Market Week. What an incredible time we had, and we picked out all of the items that you've seen in my videos this year. One of the questions I've been asked is, are we going to get to see Sarah's little store? Sarah has what she calls her shed. It's actually a Christmas store, and it is amazing. So I asked her, Sarah, can you get a videographer there? And can you film how your store turned out this year? Because people want to see it. I am so happy and honored to bring to you a little snippet of Sarah's Christmas store.
Hi everyone, it's Sarah Parmenter from Wisconsin, and I'm coming to you from my Christmas store. For those of you who don't know who I am, I have been a Design Sessions member since the very beginning. And I messaged Rebecca to come to my house in Rhinelander, Wisconsin, where she actually did a video. And if you haven't seen that video, you'll have to check it out. Since then, we discovered that we have the same passion for Christmas decorating. As a matter of fact, she found out that I have this Christmas store in Wisconsin, and she came to visit me. Fast forward to January of this year, and she and I decided to go to market in Dallas so she could find Christmas decor for her home and I could find Christmas decor for my shop. You probably have seen her Christmas reveal video and got to see the fantastic and beautiful items that she chose for her home decor. But we thought it would be kind of fun if you could see what I found at market and see how I've displayed it in my store. So without further ado, let's take a tour. You may remember from the market video that one of the themes I have this year is an Alpine ski theme, and let me show you. We have the Christmas chalet proudly displayed in this tree, along with ski-themed ornaments and these little polar bears on skis. They're super fun, and I love the combination of the red and the white. You also may remember the animated deer that I just had to have at the Mark Roberts store. I have 3 different kinds, and they're just adorable. I just love them. Now we took that ski theme and we took it from red and white, and we walk around here and we have this outdoor, woodsy, rustic theme with owls, and we have snowboarding bears and little ski lift ornaments, gondolas, all kinds of ski themed items if you're into that. We have it with the owls, and we have a more neutral theme with the polar bears. We have him with a cute little tan sweater. And if you've seen Rebecca's video, you've seen her polar bears. I think I have polar bear envy. I want those in my house next year. There's a lot of items that may seem familiar to you because, of course, we went shopping together and we love the same things. So there's the oval wreath that she has hanging above her kitchen in Tulsa. Continuing on with the rustic woodland theme, of course, very appropriate for the Northwoods of Wisconsin. I like putting large and unexpected items in my tree, like this cute deer with the furry neckline here. We have some light-up battery-operated pine cones. And yet another woodland theme. This time we married in the blue and the iron and the metal colors and things like that. So there's something for everyone's taste and style here. Continuing on, we have the more traditional red and gold and traditional red and green tree. One of my favorite things are these really cool battery operated candles. Now they're articulating, so you can position them so that they hang straight on your tree, but the best part is that they're remote controlled. So I can turn them on and off, and I don't have to unscrew and screw each one of them in, so that's a game changer. And going forward, we have a lot of different nativities and the light up, glittery, snow globe kind of items that people go nuts over. They make great gift items. And of course, Christmas is all about Jesus. So we have to make sure he's prominent in our store. You might recognize that gold deer and some of the gold trees. Rebecca has those in her house as well. And going forward, we have festive, party, colorful tree. I fell in love with these big light up globes at market, and showcasing them with the colorful balls I think really makes them stand out. If you notice, the LED lights on this tree, they change color, and they just make it, you know, fun and festive, and they provide movement without movement. You may recognize a lot of these different ornaments because this tree is very, very similar to the one that Rebecca has in her home this year. Of course, I had the advantage of shopping with her, so I knew what she bought. You'll see some of the ribbons and some of the ornamentation. I took it a little bit different direction, of course, because I didn't want to copy her completely. We've added some of these ornaments within an ornament, some different picks, and more of a monochromatic color to this tree, and I think it turned out just fabulous. And what I did is I took some of these light up orbs that we have sitting around the shop, and I actually put them in the tree as well to provide extra interest. This theme I fell in love with at market. It's got the pampas grass and a lot of natural and organic looking things, but again, the Holy Family is prominently displayed in my shop. Some of these metal antique looking bells, some really delicate picks here, and of course this fabulous garland, which I just adore. And that was one of the main things that attracted me to this theme in the first place. So that's it for my tour. Thanks for coming along with me. And I want to say a special thank you to the fans that have made a special trip to come and see me at my store. You have no idea what that means to me, and I love meeting you. I love hearing your stories, and I love that Rebecca has brought us together. And I hope that you'll see more of me and her together in the future, because we make a fantastic team. Bye-bye.
You know what makes this really special is Sarah has decided this is her final year to do her Christmas store. She's going to retire from the Christmas scene. However, she's coming back next year to help me pick everything out at Dallas Market. We're going to go back again in January, and she's going to help me decorate my home for the following year. So all of that I have to say to Sarah and her husband, thank you so much. You guys are the best people ever. And by the way, if you're in the mood or in the market for building a log home, you should check out Golden Eagle Log and Timber Homes, because they are the best of the best in the US. All right, you guys, thank you for joining me today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Didn't her shop turn out absolutely beautiful? And you know what's really neat? A lot of you, the people who are my fans and followers, have actually gone to Wisconsin to attend Sarah's sales on every weekend in the month of November. So we're at the end of November now, we're heading into December, and all I can say is, congratulations, Sarah. You brought an amazing opportunity for people in your local area in Wisconsin to experience some of the most beautiful Christmas decorations ever. And you put them together in such a magical and effortless, well, it's not really effortless, it's a lot of effort, but in a glorious and gorgeous way. I can't wait to go to market with you again this year, and woohoo for Christmas 2024. Do I hear a thumbs up on that? I hope so. All right, I'll see you guys next time. Thanks so much for checking us out. Don't forget, the Christmas decorating videos on the design sessions are available through a bundle in which, when you purchase it at a very low price, you own it for a lifetime. All right, I'll see you guys next time. Thanks. Bye-bye.